Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, my name is Julie and I post videos focused on affordable drugstore makeup. Today I wanted to start a new series here on my channel and I'm going to be doing multiple eyeshadow tutorials on the e.l.f. New Classics eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to be doing wearable looks, dramatic looks, glam looks, just all kinds of different looks with this eyeshadow palette. First, I'm just going in with the Milani eyeshadow primer to prime my eyelids. I'm taking this shade Truffle and the Morphe M573 brush, and I'm just pointing the brush up into the crease, and I'm just going to blend that with little circular motions and then just blend back and forth to blend that out. And just going back with the second layer to intensify this color. I'm going to use this shade Cream and this e.l.f. angled defining eye brush, and I'm going to use that as my brow bone highlight. Next, I'm taking this shade in Charmer. It's like a matte mauve, and I'm using that same Morphe M573 brush. I'm going to put this color at the top of the crease in between that brow bone highlight and the crease shade. Then on the lid, I'm going to use the shade Gilded. Just packing that on this Wet n Wild small concealer brush and then just tapping off the excess. And I'm just going to pack this shade all over the eyelid. You could also apply this shade with your finger as well. I just like using a brush because it's more precise. For the inner corner, I'm going to use this shade Blanc, and I'm just applying that with that same e.l.f. defining eye brush that I used on the brow bone. And I'm going to take just a little bit more of this and just place it here on the brow bone. I just want to kind of brighten that up a little bit more. And if you wanted to make this look a little bit more smoky and intense, you could apply like the shade in Muse to like your lower lash line, or you could put that shade here in the outer V to like deepen that up. But I'm just going to leave it like this, just really simple. This is a pretty kind of day-to-day look if you wanted a pop of color. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the face before I finish out the rest of the eyes. I'm just going to be using one of the e.l.f. bronzers. This is their Primer Infused Bronzer in the shade Catching Rays. And I'm just going to use this to bronze up my face. This is a really beautiful warm matte bronzer. And I think that e.l.f. has 5 different shades. I think either 4 or 5 different shades currently with their primer infused bronzers. So I'm just taking it up along the hairline. This is just going to help to add some dimension back into the face. And I totally forgot to mention this at the beginning, but obviously I already did my foundation, concealer, and eyebrows. So I will have those products listed down in the description box. All the products that I'm using today and the makeup tools will be linked down there. I also always put like the shades of like the foundation and concealer I'm using. And then I'm going to take that here on the jawline and then just blend that down on my neck. Take a little bit more bronzer and just dust a little bit here on my nose. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Naked Brown. I've really been enjoying this blush lately. Such a pretty, just natural mauve color. And I'm just going to apply that with this Real Techniques blush brush. I'm going to be using the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter, which this is a golden highlight. Just dust a little bit here on my nose, Cupid's bow. And then I'm just going to be misting my face today before I do my mascara and my lips. And I'm using the LA Girl Makeup Setting Spray. And then I'm just going to curl up my lashes and apply some of my mascara. And I'm just using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. You could use a brown mascara. Today I'm just using black, but one of my favorite, well, two of my favorite brown mascaras, one is from Maybelline, the Sky High Mascara in True Brown, if you want like a dark chocolate brown, or if you would like a lighter brown shade, the Essence Lash Without Limits in brown is also really beautiful. And I think brown mascaras pair really nicely with green eyeshadow. Then for the lips, I'm going to first line them with this Maybelline Lifter Liner in Player. Like I just kind of smush my lips together to blend the liner out a little bit. And then I'm going to top that with a Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and this is in the color Moon. I forgot how much I really enjoy this e.l.f. New Classics. Like I told you guys, I used to have this in my collection. I must have decluttered it or given it to somebody, and I just recently picked this back up. I'm like, why did I declutter this? Like, I don't know why, because it is such a good palette. So if you did enjoy this first look with this palette, give this video a thumbs up. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye. Mwah.
You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect.